So here I am back on the train about 12 hours later. Hi there guys, this morning I'm stood outside the Houses of Parliament, and in a little while I'll be going inside and watching Prime Minister's Question Time. So we finally got through the front door and we're actually inside Parliament. Cup of tea on the terrace at Westminster. Sounds like a good idea. My main reason for coming down to London today was to visit the House of Parliament, but unfortunately once you get inside it's very difficult to actually get your camera out, because most of the places that cameras are actually banned. One of the biggest issues I find when I'm away for the day is my telephone battery never goes a distance. So I came out of Parliament and the first thing I thought is I'm out of battery and I've got to get through the rest of the day. I've ended up in a little restaurant called Vinoteca, which is just outside St Pancras. The main reason I came in here was because they had power sockets in the floor and my phone had run out. I decided I'll kill two birds with one stone, have a bit of lunch and also get some power in my phone. I got a 2-course meal for £15 or a 3-course meal for £18. Pretty good. I'm running pretty late and I've got a train to catch. It's pretty tough getting through this place at this time of night because it's really, really busy right now. So London's one of them places. I pretty much like the stuff that I also hate about it. The thing is, there's always something going on here. I'm just outside Euston Station now on the way home, and it's absolutely buzzing. Just look at all the stuff that's going on around here. And it's just a train station.